Hi there, I'm going to show in this video tutorial how to unlock Tcl 30Xe 5G, alias known as Tcl T767W. As you can see, we have here one network locked sample. You have here the details. It is running latest version. So in order to unlock it, I'm going to use FURIOUSGOLD box and the OT Smart latest version. Even if this model was added more than a month ago, I only had now time to make a video tutorial. Please be warned that even if the unlock is free, you can only unlock it for free if you have a valid support license for your box. So be sure you have the support active. So let's start by powering off the phone. And on the software, let's select our model. And from the operations, we choose remove Simlock. Press connect. Once the software starts searching for the phone, I'm going to simply insert the USB in the powered off phone. And if everything is okay, the phone gets detected and the work starts. So in less than a minute, the phone got unlocked. So let's remove the USB, power on the device and check. So as you can see, no more network locked message. We have here the searching message. Just need to wait a little bit until it's going to find the network. It seems I inserted a bad SIM. Let me switch it. So as you can see, Vodafone Romania, full signal, so the phone was successfully unlocked. Thanks again for using our products. Thanks for watching this video tutorial. Bye bye.